PayPal is not available in Nigeria. PayPal is not available in Nigeria. Where is the withdraw button? PayPal. Why can't I withdraw to my local bank account? Why can't I withdraw to my cryptocurrency wallet directly, just like you have in USA PayPal? So na me una want dey use the catch cruise abi? PayPal. Waterfred, you have to link your Paga and link your Gray and then withdraw from there to your local bank account. Shey no be fees na im Paga and Gray go collect abi? You can withdraw directly to your AfriCard. Have you checked the rates? PayPal, I dey warn you, leave this place now.
I nearly lost my mind.
In this video, I will teach you how to exchange your PayPal funds seamlessly with a website I've been using for the past 10 years. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but me giving you real value. Now let's begin. Now, looking at this platform, you will see that my first exchange was performed on the 9th of December 2016. That's almost 10 years ago. Yes. And if you look, you will see that I exchanged Skrill to Perfect Money. Okay. Look at it right here. If I click on it, you will see that this order was completed. Okay, and I exchanged Skrill USD to Perfect Money USD. There are other exchanges, as you can see, which I performed on this platform. And they don't just exchange Perfect Money or Skrill, they exchange a lot of things. Cryptocurrency, PayPal, name it. Okay, it's almost 10 years now, and this platform is working and working real good. Now, if you come to the platform, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, and before you rush to the comment section or the video description to go and sign up, hold on for me to show you how to sign up properly. Okay, so right now when you come here, you might not see any place written sign up. It's a Russian website, so you might not see any place written sign up. What you have to do is to first of all act like you are trying to make an exchange. That is the way to sign up. So you come to exchange, you click on exchange right here, and the first thing you're going to see is what your email. So you put in your email, and then for direction, you can just select anything. Okay, maybe anything at all, or you can just leave it how it was. You can just say you want to exchange maybe Skrill USD to PayPal or Cardano, whatever, anything. Okay, just type anything. Okay, accept the rules, and then just click on what submit. That email that you put is automatically registered. Okay, yes, and once you are done with that, you can come to info right here. You will see client panel, and this is where you set up other things. Okay, so you sign in. Okay, so when you sign in, okay, you come towards my account, and from my account, you will now see all the details that you're going to put in. You see where to put in your surname, your first name, country, email, additional email, okay, everything, your Telegram, mobile phone, everything, okay, and even where to set your password. You can see old password, okay, the new password is where to reset your password. So that is how to sign up on this platform. For those who have PayPal, come to exchange, okay, PayPal, come to exchange. A lot of people in Africa or some countries where PayPal is not allowed are still struggling to exchange PayPal. Even though they said PayPal is now in Nigeria, I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, because I logged into my PayPal account and I still couldn't see where I could be able to. I didn't just understand how I could still navigate it up till now. Maybe there's something I'm missing and I'm still going to figure it out with time. But right now, if you have PayPal, one of the best ways to get the maximum amount of value for your PayPal funds is to exchange it directly to USDT and then sell via P2P. Okay, yeah. Or any other way that you feel is the best for you. Okay, but with USDT P2P, you will get the competitive rate. So as for that, once you come to exchange, you come towards exchange order. Okay, and from exchange order, of course, you select what your PayPal USD. I assume that your PayPal is not lying in your account. Okay, so you come to PayPal USD, and then you select what your favorite cryptocurrency. Okay, you can say Tether USDT TRC20. You can see TRC20 right here, or BP20, anyone you want. And let us assume that you want to exchange $100 worth of PayPal. You will see the amount, okay, and the fees. Look at how much you'll be getting. You're receiving in Tether USDT. And remember that as you are exchanging more, one thing about Magnatus is the more you are exchanging, the higher the bonus, the higher the discount. Okay, you can see that my own, I got 3% discount because I've been exchanging a minimum of what? Look, if you're exchanging amounts that are less than 32.62 USD, you pay at least 2.5 USD. Okay, or you pay 7.663%. If you scroll down, you also see other options. Now you can see if you need screenshots of the payment, they will charge 3 USDT. I don't think you need this. If you want payment from the sponsor affiliate program, blah blah blah, 0 fee. If you want urgent sending, okay, you want faster requests, they charge $7 for it. If you want urgent receiving, $7 for it. But all these are not needed. Sometimes you see, I want the phone sent in one part. Sometimes in Magnatus, two people, these things, they don't just store funds somewhere. When you request for an exchange, someone else is also waiting to get that money. As you're trying to change PayPal to USDT, someone else is somewhere needing USDT for PayPal. So they match you people, and from your email, they will tell you, send this amount to this email, send this amount of PayPal funds to this account, stuff like that. Sometimes you might have to send twice, or you might have to receive twice. There is no problem, okay? But if you want it faster, if you want your payment to come in bulk, this is what they charge. But for me, I don't think all of this is necessary. Magnatus, the exchange takes 1 hour to about 24 hours. So just bring out your mind and say, okay, 24 hours, I should be done with my exchange. 1 hour to 24 hours. Okay, you don't need to pay any of these fees right here. So when you are done, just put in your PayPal email, and then next is what? Click on submit. You don't need to attach any file except if requested. The next you're going to see is an email of the instruction to follow next. You're going to get an email, and from there you proceed. It is not hard at all. The main info is what? If you're exchanging PayPal, stick to one PayPal email, stick to one PayPal account, because if you keep changing your email, if you keep changing your PayPal account, they will ask you why. Why are you coming up with a new PayPal account? And the first time you make an exchange, they're going to ask you a lot of questions. They're going to ask you how did you get the funds, when you open your PayPal account, blah, blah, blah. Just answer the questions honestly, as much as you can remember, as much as possible. And after that first time, they're not going to ask you anything like that again. It's going to be moving smoothly. Okay, I think that specifically applies to PayPal. The other exchanges, they don't really find it difficult, no much complications. Okay, so that is it. Okay, and then another thing I want to show you guys is the affiliate program. Okay, I cannot just omit this. This is very important. Now when you click on affiliate program, you're going to see everybody that signed up. Okay, everyone that clicked in your link. You can see people are clicking from YouTube. You can see, yeah, your people are coming from this bit.ly, I don't know. So you can see the last supposed 60 clicks for the last, I don't know how long they are measuring this. 10 registrations. Okay, now you can see 157 people have paid and completed exchanges, 157 paid applications. Okay, so this is my bonus. Okay, current bonus I have right now is $6.89 right in my affiliate account, and disbursement, they've paid me $311 in rewards received previously. Now this is not a sponsored video. It's just that whenever someone signs up via my link and they make an exchange, I earn a little commission. I keep it real with you guys right here. Okay, so you can also market Magnatus. I'm not just marketing them because of this, because $300 is not like $300 is small money, but not like it's too much money compared to since when I've been using Magnatus. But I am only bringing this to my audience because these people have been consistent, they've been legit, and over the years, I've not seen one person come out to call out Magnatus that he made an exchange and he didn't see his money. No, even though this website, I think this website is Russian. Okay, yeah, because sometimes they write in Russian, you have to translate. Look at it. This is Russian language. Everything now is in Russian. You can see right now. You can see. And when you click on English, it comes back to English. No one has ever complained. None of my followers or subscribers have said anything bad about this platform, and that's why I'm promoting it for you guys. That's why I am bringing it for you guys. Now, if you also want to read the rules, you can come to rules and read everything. Read everything. Okay, that is very important for you. Okay, that's very important. When exchanging PayPal, you can see So you can read all of this, read all of this so that you can understand how this platform works. To sign up, like I said earlier, the link is going to be in my YouTube video description and in the pinned comment. So go right in there, sign up on Magnatus and start making your exchanges. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained value, give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comments. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do that. And don't forget to share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value, just like the way you've gotten. And with that being said, I will see you, my friends, in my next video.